Hello, we have a question on number 50 in section 4.1, and I realize a lot of you guys haven't got to this point yet. Uh, but this problem number 50, it's a word problem. It refers to problem number 49. Now, what this problem's got to do with is about a company who builds bicycles. And problem number 49 tells us that there's a fixed cost of $1,800 for daily cost. Um, the cost to manufacture one bicycle is $90. So problem number 49, you have created a formula using the cost equals mx plus b. And the m represents the slope, of course. But in this case, b represents the fixed daily cost, and it's $80 per bike. So if you basically build two bicycles, it's going to be a 90 times 2, which is 180 bucks, plus $1,800. So if you build three bicycles, it's going to be 3 times 90 plus $1,800 for fixed cost. So in other words, you're paying the $1,800 no matter what. So this $1,800 will be the B, okay? And so the formula for problem number 49 turns out to be 90 times X plus 1,800. So, for example, like I said, if you want to know how much it costs for you to build two bicycles, this company, you do C of 2, be 90 times 2, which is 180, plus 1,800. So 5 bicycles, 90 times 5 plus 1,800. And anyway, so problem number 49 asks a lot of questions now for that. And once you create the formula, they want you to graph it and stuff like that. I'm not going to do any of the graphs. The only thing I'm going to do is create the formula for you, and I'm going to let you take care of the rest on problem number 50. Now, problem number 50, what they're saying here is this company, as in any company, the cost increase, just like any company would find. The company is going to find that they're not going to have to pay $1,800. They're going to have to pay more than that. What the company is now going to have a monthly rent increase of $100. And the business is open 20 days per month. So you got to understand, this is a monthly rent increase, not a daily rent increase. So if you are in business for 20 days and you're going to have a $100 rent increase, there's going to be basically a $5 increase, okay, per day. You know, how do you know that? Because it's $100 divided among 20 business days. So it's $5 a day. So the formula is just tweaked just a little bit on number 50. I believe it still said that the bicycle still cost 90 bucks, so it's 90x. Now they say, well, it costs $95 a bicycle, then you make that a 95. Or $98 a bicycle, you make that 98x. Plus, what do you think? It's going to be what? It's going to be 1805. Because you got to remember, this cost function is a daily one. So it's just a small tweak in this. So it's a little bit more than what it was. And I think they're going to be asking you to graph it and ask a few questions. I think they're also going to ask you how many bicycles would you be able to create if you have like $3,800 or whatever. So you'd put $3,800 over here and solve for X, and I'll tell you how many bicycles you would have to make. I think that's part D actually. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how the formula is generated. The $100 is kind of confusing to some people, I bet you, because they want to make this $1,900. And that's not the way it is, because you're basically just business. This is a daily cost, and this is a monthly increase. So the daily is just slightly higher. So, and that's it.